Hello, I'm Miss Ruby Heart, and I'm here to share a story. Lummy Goes Camping by Miss Jude Lennon and Miss Holly Bushnell. Team Lummy are very excited. They're going camping tonight in their lovely camper van Buttercup, whose paintwork is yellow and bright. Alfie wants to sleep in a field, Cordero under a tree. Lummy and Lil want to camp on a hill, and Flossie next to the sea. With a gurgle, a splutter, a clunk and a cough, the bright yellow van sets off. This is a wonderful, bright rhyming read that children will love. And today is their book birthday. Happy birthday, Team Lummy. We give this book 4 paws and a